Could this be the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 display? We don't know, but Samsung shows off a new folding phone hinge that can rotate 360 degrees. That's a full circle. Samsung has a new prototype display that could send its folding phone to a new direction. It's 360 degrees. This was shown in CES 2023 in the Flex in and out display that can rotate 360 degrees, meaning it can be folded inward and outward at the same time. In addition to all of that, the hinge design that supposedly creates a significantly less visible crease, which was annoying and still annoying, but that's because the water drop hinge could allow the display to form in a looser shape, like a water drop. Also, this hinge would put less stress on the display, so it helps more with the flexibility and it not being broken or damaged by time. Increase the lifespan of it. It's not the first time that Samsung displays a huge prototype when it comes to the folding screens. However, this approach was different. And it actually might be possible to be the Z Fold 5, which will be revolutionary. The folding phones market is new still, and Samsung actually put the first piece that every company is following, and I think it's time for a change. And I'm thinking that Samsung will make this change. It's possible this will be the Galaxy Z Fold 5. It's all rumors, so nothing like confirmed. At least if it's not, at least they should feature a less visible crease on the Z Fold 5, which we are all hoping for. So the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be released in August this year, so it still have time, and all the eyes on the Galaxy S23 series right now, but yet there are still an interest for this phone. And this is all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you are excited for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and you think that Samsung will still have the big hand in the foldable market or not. And well, that was fun.